Hello, and welcome to the Professional Youth Worker, powered by YIPA. We're excited you found us and our trainings, and we thank you for the work you do. Today, I'll be showing you how to register for our exceptional online trainings. So let's go ahead and get started. The first step is to head to training.yipa.org, which I've already navigated to here, and we're currently on the home page. If you hover over the Training tab, you'll see an option to check out our newest on-demand and live online trainings, as well as links that take you to all of our other trainings dedicated to each of the 8 focus areas that make up our competency framework. We'll start with the newest on-demand and live online trainings page, and then explore the rest. Here you can see our newest recorded trainings that are in our on-demand library, as well as upcoming live online trainings where you can ask the trainer questions and meet other youth workers attending the session. It's a great way to interact and gain tools and insights in real time. You can check this page anytime to see what's upcoming and what's newly available. Our on-demand library is full of recorded online trainings you can register for and complete whenever works best for you. The library is organized by the 8 focus areas that make up our competency framework, so you can easily dig into a certain section if you'd like. So let's check out trainings under the Youth Development focus area. Each training tile tells you the type of training it is and provides some basic details. Once you find one you're interested in, you can click the Learn More button or the featured image itself to learn more. As an example, I'll choose this on-demand training, supporting youth in life transitions, career exploration, and workforce navigation. This is what all of our training pages look like. We make them consistent so it's easy for you to get the information you need right away and go. You'll see the title and details for the training. There's a Register Now button if you're ready to go ahead and sign up, or you can ask a question first if you'd like to get in contact with us. There's a course description outlining the background and purpose of the training, along with learning objectives that really drill down into the big takeaways so you can be focused on those before your training even starts. Then we'll tell you a bit about your trainer, along with which of our 8 focus areas this particular training fits into. So, once you're ready to register, you can click the Register Now button. Once here, you'll need to enter your information, and everything with a red asterisk is required. After you've filled out your information, you'll come down here and tell us how you heard about YIPA, as well as the type of youth intervention that best describes your work. Then you'll check this last box and make sure you agree to our terms and conditions and data privacy policy. You'll also have a chance to sign up for our newsletters right here. Then you can check out as a YIPA member or a non-YIPA member accordingly. If you're not currently a YIPA member, once you click Checkout, you'll be taken to a new page to enter your payment information. You'll get a registration confirmation email that has all you need to access the training. If you don't see it, please check your junk, spam, or promotions folders. You can reach out to us if you're still having trouble, and we're happy to help. And that's how you register for our exceptional trainings. We're looking forward to seeing you again soon, and thank you for all you do.